What are you doing, little caterpillar?
Oh my god.
Okay, so I wasn't actually planning on doing a vlog today, but Jasmine's PC just took a shit. The power supply has something wrong with it, so I'm gonna go out to Canada Computers, get a new power supply. That's basically gonna take up a lot of my time, so figured I'd just vlog it. Also, my USB amp DAC also took a shit, so I'm gonna see if I can find another USB audio interface. So I'm gonna go to Canada Computers right now.
Yeah.
Okay, get you your power
My
supply.
computer's been broken for a few months now.
Mm-hmm.
It's taking its toll.
Mm-hmm. He's a lot stronger than he looks.
Yeah.
Road closed to local traffic only? Okay, well. Fuck you, bitch. Okay, I don't know how to get around here. Road totally closed. Let's see. Can I go through there? Is that? I don't know. Well, it looks like it'll work. Yeah, so it's pretty damn cold out. I think it's about 0 degrees. A lot of people tell me just get a fucking car, it's too cold to ride a motorcycle. It really only becomes too cold to ride a motorcycle when it gets like below -20. That's, I think, when most people literally can't handle it. But I've ridden in -35 at one point. That was really fucking brutal, but as long as you have proper gear on, it's really not as bad as you might think. I have heated gloves to prevent my fingers from freezing. And I save a ton of money by not getting a car. I don't have enough money to afford an electric car right now, but I can afford an electric motorcycle. Electric bikes are like, what, 1/3 the price of an electric car? And on top of that, if I were, like, compared to a gas-powered car, don't have to pay for gas, obviously, and maintenance. This bike requires dick all fucking maintenance. I have had some, like, minor issues with this bike, but they were all fixed within, like, minutes of me tinkering with it, so yeah, fuck getting a car. Just a waste of money. Yeah, people in Canada, North America, they don't get taught how to use roundabouts, so nobody ever signals when they're leaving the roundabout. And you have no fucking idea if they're gonna actually go all the way around or exit, so it's kind of a little dangerous when it's busy. Yeah, whenever you go outside of Guelph, like, Guelph is just totally surrounded by farmland, and there's like a lot of cattle farms. I've seen some sheep, some goats. Haven't seen any pigs, but there are some chicken farms. They're not as common as like cattle, cows and shit. But they are in some places, and the cows don't smell. Like, the sheep and goats and whatever, you don't smell them. But holy fuck, the chickens. Dear God, just the worst, most awful, foul smell I have ever fucking smelled in my life. And I've had a dog that got sprayed by a skunk. That was not as bad as fucking chicken factory farm stink. Like chicken, it's bad on its own, it has cholesterol and everything. But holy fuck, like, I wish people would just smell the fucking farms that these animals come from. Like, there's something bad going on when there's a smell like that. The food on its own, even if it's like, grass-fed, free-range, all that bullcrap, it's bad enough. But man, it's a next level of awful when they're raised like that. I wish people would actually go to the farms that their food is made. Like, if they smelled that shit, there's no way they'd want to buy fucking chicken ever again. I like the twisties. Okay, yeah, there's a chicken farm around here. I can fucking smell it. It's the worst, most gag-inducing smell fucking ever. Yeah, I think they're over there on the right-hand side. Oh god, it's just so awful. I don't know how people live around here. It's fucking insane. I can't even believe it's legal. Oh, I'm not even joking. Yeah, I'm trying to drive as conservatively as possible right now. There are a few charge stations around here, and I should be able to make it to them fine. The problem is because it's so cold, the battery doesn't discharge at its normal rate, so I can't maintain very high speeds. So I'm just trying to drive conservatively, save as much battery as possible, just so I don't run into any issues while I'm getting to the charge station after we go to Canada Computers. And we're here. I'll just park in backwards so it's easy to leave. There we are.
Okay, so I did manage to find the power supply I wanted. It's stuffed in my backpack right here. It was $110 off, so that was a good deal. Now it turns out there is a charging station in this plaza, but I'm not sure if I'm going to use it. I've already gone into Canada Computers, and it doesn't look like there's anything else to do here. So basically down the road there is a mech, where across the street there's a charging station. I think I'm just gonna go there because then I can just walk around through mech, see if they have any like winter clothing or something that I need, and just wait for the bike to charge. Like half the problem is finding something to do while you're charging. So I think I'm just gonna go down the road basically and find a charging station when there's actually something to do there.
And now we're off. And hopefully we have just enough battery to get to mech without any issues. Should be fine. Got 17% and there's 8.2 kilometers, so that's plenty. I really fucking hope I plugged in my gloves properly, because right now my hands are fucking freezing, especially my right hand, because it wasn't covered. It's plugged in, just my hands are fucking freezing. Dear God. Ugh. Oh my God. Jesus. Okay, well, the battery in my bike just decided to die out of fucking nowhere. Okay, I guess I'm gonna have to push this thing along for almost a kilometer. That kind of sucks. Let's see, there's a bike lane. I'll just go real fucking slow. Put on my emergency blinker blinkies so people know what the fuck I'm doing, I guess. Yeah, I'm just gonna go through this. I'm on the fucking bike lane anyway. Oh man, that sucks. Man, I had 18%. It must be the fucking cold weather. That's shitty. I hope I can at least get over this hill. I don't like pushing this bike up a hill. Holy fuck, I'm lucky I got so close though. It's really not fun pushing this bike for a long distance. I've done it before. Oh man, now I have to fucking cross the intersection, which might be a little dangerous. I don't know if I can. Okay. Big U-turn, and the charging station's right here. Okay, I got a bit lucky there. Jesus Christ. Jesus. Okay. Ooh, that was close. Ooh, my fucking hands are cold, oh my god. Ah, it's just my right hand. For some reason, the fucking thing didn't heat up my goddamn glove. Oh, that's such bullshit. Plug this shit all in. This is the amp DAC I got. It's a cheapy one, but I really just need it for streaming. The analog mixer I have doesn't work well with fucking Google's Hangouts for some reason. Luckily that's easy enough to set up without having to take my gloves off. Fit in. There we are.
Okay, so it's telling me about an hour and 28 minutes to charge, and I think I'll wait until it's charged to full 100% just because of the cold weather. Alright, so basically I just had to wait in Mech for an hour and a half until the bike was done charging. And if you can see that, the bike is 100% charged, so I'm just going to unplug all this bullshit, and then we can hop on the road.
Another thing that really sucks about the winter is it gets fucking dark so early. It's just after 6 o'clock, 6:04, and it's already pitch black. Such bullshit. Makes you feel like you can't get anything done in the entire day because it already gets dark so soon. God damn it. This is really fucking bad. I think my right heated glove is not working at all. I don't know what the fuck happened, but that's a huge problem because it's below 0 degrees right now, and I can already feel my hand going totally numb. So that is not pleasant. Oh shit. I fucking missed my turn. That is a really weird road. Okay, this is fucking insane. I have to pull over. Oh my god. Oh, this is bad. Oh, Jesus. Ooh, that's brutal. My fucking fingers. Oh my god. Okay, I've just got 34 minutes left to get home. It's not too bad. I'm really hoping in the next little bit there might be a coffee shop or something I could fucking go into. I think there might be up ahead. Oh dear God. Okay, I don't think there's anything. Yeah, I don't think there's anything coming up anytime soon. I'm just going to pull over to the side of the road up here and then warm my hand up a bit more, and then hopefully I can make it the rest of the way back without stopping. Oh, god damn it. I'm gonna try putting my right hand inside my coat and warming it up with my stomach heat. Oh, this hurts. It really sucks. It hurts when your fingers get super cold, and it also hurts like hell when your fingers unthaw. Okay. Well, try this again. Okay, I think I know exactly where I am. Yeah, I do. It's not far from home now. And hopefully I can make it before my fingers freeze again. And he's not turning off his high beams. And I'm blind. Asshole. Okay, almost fucking home. My hand is just starting to freeze, but literally a few minutes from home, so it's all good.
So I'm back home. I've got some lentils cooking on a pot on the stove, and I'm just going to have a bowl of apples and 1 orange while I wait. And here's my plate of lentils, just my normal lentil recipe, 200 grams of lentils, lots of nutritional yeast, and some hot sauce, sweet Thai chili sauce. And I find it funny, like, I get, horseshit hater comments all the time, but when I eat out, eat lots of junk food or something, or just, eat some interesting food at a restaurant, like tenons. I wouldn't consider that junk food, sushi, vegan sushi. But I always get comments like, oh, you spend so much money on food, you eat out all the fucking time, oh, you're eating junk food, fat ass. And then when I eat, clean, healthy food, everybody's like, oh my god, your food looks like fucking garbage, can't believe you eat that shit. So, can't please everybody. How's your power supply?
Good.
It's working?
So far, yeah. I'm trying to play League now to see if it shuts down again, because every time I basically use anything but a web browser, I have that issue.
Okay. Yeah, her old power supply would make her computer shut down, so hopefully this fixes it.
Yeah, usually even with more than 2 tabs open, but
Who's this? Who's this little guy? Hey.
So I hope you all enjoyed the vlog. Again, I didn't really plan on vlogging today, but Jasmine had her computer breakdown. I also was having audio issues for like a week, so I really needed to replace my audio interface. But, a lot of you say that you really enjoy the motorcycle footage, so hope you got some entertainment out of that. And as always, keep making those vegan and electric motorcycle gains.
What a relief! When will this poisonous product cease? This is another public service announcement. You can believe it or you can doubt it. Let us begin now with the cow. The way it gets to your plate and how.